recording, are you?
Yeah, but you can always edit it out and edit it later.
Hey, so today, guys, we are gonna fill up the vending machine. Root beer and Dr. Pepper sold out. Let me go get the fire.
Oh man. Dun, dun, dun.
Okay, in today's video, we are going to be showing you how to change the refrigeration level in your machine, how to turn it up and down. That way you can make your items, your beverages, warmer or colder. What you're going to do is hit this button right here. Right here. Boom, and it's going to bring you over here to this right here. You want to keep going until it says this. RFRD. RFRD. And then you hit this button right here.
Then you hit, okay, go
You
start
hit that button right there, and it's going to change it up and down. See right here? This is your level for coldness. This is max coldness. And more you keep pressing it, it'll go down. That'll be the least coldness. Press it, keep. And that's it. Again. You're going to want to press this button right here. That's the button you press. Right there. That button leads down to there. You can also press that button right there, and it'll do the same thing. It'll do the same thing for you, pressing that button right there. So pressing that is the same thing as pressing this. This is your menu. This is the button you want to press to change through the menu. These two buttons right here. And you want to just keep pressing that, and it'll go through the menu. RFRD, refrigeration. And you want to just press that button. By pressing that button, that happens. By pressing that button, that's what happens. And you change through the menu. And that's how it gets colder. That is the least coldest. Alright, so to change the refrigeration level, you can come down to this. This is where it's at on the door, bottom left. But there's a wire that runs from this all the way up to this. So you can press this button right here, Vendo 540. So what happens when you press this is right here. Boom, it cycles through them. Okay, that's test, cost, option 1, option 2, that, That's refrigeration level. First button right here. Push that. Refrigeration level is that. Normal, cold, cold, cold. That's the coldest it will get. Medium, second last. That's about medium, and that's the least coldest. In the winter time, since winter is coming up, I am just gonna put it on normal. Normal. And this and that. And to be done, all you do is come back and press that again. Boom. And you are done. Again, I'll cycle back through that. Press this. Hear it clicking. Boom. 1. Till you see that refrigeration RFRG. Again, you're going to press this button. Pressing that. There it goes right there. And you can cycle through them. I'm going to go to normal. There you go, guys. Thank you guys for watching another amazing, fantastic video. We hope you guys are doing well. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Please share this video with guys. Let's get out here. Let's get to 1,000 subscribers. Thank you.